and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a productive weekend in my life vlog. I had a really hard week at work this past week, so I just want to take the weekend to myself and like sort of do a reset. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. I'm about to head out the door to go to a hot barre class, so that's gonna kick off the weekend, help sweat everything out. So yeah, stick around for this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Zoe. I make videos about work weeks in the life, work outfits, and then also stuff about productivity and fitness, which is what I love to do kind of on the side. So make sure you're subscribed and also make sure that you're following me on Instagram. And with all that being said, I'm gonna grab my yoga mat and let's go to class. Such a nice day. It's been so long since I've had just like a Saturday to myself. So I'm super happy walking to the metro now to go to class. It's honestly like one of those beautiful fall days that like you just wish could last forever. For real though. Oh, look at these falling leaves. So nice. So whenever I'm walking and trying to have like a productive day, I always like to listen to a podcast because it just like gets me in the like productive mindset. So I usually listen to Skating Confidential, Gals on the Go. I think today I'm going to listen to Gretchen Garrity's podcast. It's like her second episode, so I'm going to listen to that and keep on walking. Hi everyone, so I'm back from the barre class now. If you've never tried hot barre and you don't know what it is, it's kind of similar to hot Pilates if you've heard about that. It's basically like you're in a hot room similar to hot yoga, and you have the barre and you're doing sort of ballet inspired workouts. You sweat like crazy, like my hair is drenched, like it's bad, but it feels really nice. It's like a good reset. It's such a good workout. So I haven't been in a while. I haven't been actually since like, I think it's probably been maybe close to a year that I've been. So it felt really, really nice to like go and do that. So now I'm home. I'm starving, so I'm gonna make myself a little healthy breakfast. Usually on the weekends I like to make avocado toast because it takes me a bit more time. I don't really have as much time to do it during the week. So I like to do it on the weekends. And one thing I wanna say too is whenever I'm trying to have a productive day, I always write down at the beginning of the day everything I want to do. So I made a list for both Saturday and Sunday because I'm going to see how I divide up the priorities. But yeah, just having everything on paper helps me to like not have it all floating around in my head, because when there's a lot of things I want to do, which is the case this weekend, I tend to forget stuff. So always write everything down, and that's it. So I'm going to go get the things ready to make breakfast. My kitchen is a mess. Like, I wasn't gonna show it, and then I'm like, you know what? This is my real life. Like, I have clothes, an open package. This is like old pie from last night. And this is like containers I need to wash. So whatever, at least over here it's not so bad. So let's make some avocado toast. So this is my breakfast. I just made 2 and kind of a half pieces of avocado toast. I just really wanted to eat the whole avocado, so I like made an extra toast. And I put some arugula and sun-dried tomatoes on top with some sea salt. And then I also made this little like tomato kind of salad with tahini on top. I'm just like super hungry from that barre class, and then just drinking water, and I'm gonna watch some Netflix. Oh my god, ignore all these boxes. I have to deal with that today. That's on my list. So yeah, I'm excited to eat. So afternoon update. The day is just flying by. I've been filming videos for like the past little bit. So obviously because I work full time, I have to like batch film a lot of videos, and it's really fun, and it's like super addicting. Like the more I film, the more videos I want to film, if that makes sense. Like I plan to do 2 and then I want to do 3, 4, whatever. So the afternoon light is super nice, but the sun's gonna go down soon. I think I'm gonna go to a cafe and start editing some of the videos, and I'm also really excited because another check off the box of the stuff I had to do today was all of these oh my gosh, sorry, my camera's like on a tripod, it's weird. All of these boxes here are full of stuff that I need to get rid of, but I don't have a car, so like I haven't been able to donate them. And I posted on Facebook, and someone is coming by to like take them all off my hands. So really excited, someone else gets to use them, and I get to have my floor cleaned up, so amazing. So yeah, so productive Saturday is going well. Just wanted to check in, and let's probably later head to the cafe and get some editing done. So I'm home from the cafe. I got a fair amount of work done, not as much as I wanted, but I'll probably keep working tonight. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go out or stay in. So I'm kind of leaning towards staying in. So we'll see how that goes. But it's 7:40, so it's time to make dinner. The only thing I know how to cook in this world is pasta or fish. So I'm gonna make a salmon that's been in my fridge defrosting. So I usually just fry it with olive oil. And I'm gonna cook also some arugula, some sweet potato that's pre-baked, and I'm gonna throw in some frozen veggies. So I just do everything in the frying pan with olive oil. I've been doing it for a few months now. Like, it's really bad. I eat the same thing all the time, but it suits me well. Like, I feel full, it tastes good, and I feel like healthy when I eat it. So that's the sitch for tonight. And I'll update you guys on what I choose to do, because we're supposed to be productive in this vlog, so we'll see what happens. I feel like if Gordon Ramsay were to see what I eat, he would like be disgusted. Like, you know those memes of like Gordon Ramsay like responding to people's to people's cooking on Twitter? Like, that's me. So I'll show you guys my current situation. Basically, I went to work this morning. I also still work at B-Cycle one shift a week because I love it there. And it's just like a little kind of distraction, and it helps me keep my membership. So it's like an energy exchange kind of situation. But after that, I went shopping a little bit for like, not even fun shopping, just like errands shopping. And I went grocery shopping. The groceries just got delivered because I was too lazy to carry them. So I'll show you guys the situation. I am obsessed with making lists. This is my list making pen. So I make like lists on top of lists of all the things I need to do. So this was yesterday's list. Some of it's not completed, and this is my like detailed list for today. So just putting everything on paper helps me to like clarify like everything that I need to do basically. Also, like, can anyone guess my favorite color? Because like I don't know, even my salt, my god. So that's that, and let's take a look. So my groceries just got delivered, and I have to organize them. But guys, look how empty my fridge was. Literally, this was my fridge until now, okay? There's nothing in there. And I'm not the kind of girl who keeps a ton of stuff in the freezer either. Like, there was nothing in here. So I'll show you guys my grocery haul. Okay, so this is my grocery haul. I'll go through it really quick. I tried to buy everything pretty healthy. I also try my best at home to buy gluten-free, dairy-free stuff because they tend to upset my stomach. So let's start. Okay, first up is the Silk cultured coconut yogurt. It's like vegan yogurt. It's pretty good. It's also not too expensive. I think this is $6, so that's pretty good. It tastes really good, and I add usually honey and granola and stuff to it. Next, I have never tried these. It's a sprouted flax bread. I think it's similar to the Ezekiel bread, which I usually like to eat. It's not gluten-free, but usually the sprouted bread doesn't upset my stomach, so I'm gonna try that out. Got some green grapes, tomatoes, tofu for my salads that I'm gonna fry up tonight, hummus. I do my groceries at Adonis sometimes. I need to start shopping there more because it's actually like really affordable. Gluten-free spaghetti ×2, bananas. I got these diced tomatoes to put in the pasta, olives to make sandwiches. So the sandwiches is like bread, hummus, olives, and salad leaves. My god, why can't I talk? And feta cheese. I got goat feta because it doesn't upset my stomach and it tastes really good. These are frozen cherries that are thawing out because there's no freezer in the delivery truck. I got sun-dried tomatoes for the pasta and for my salads, tahini to make salad dressing, lemons for my morning lemon water, and I'm trying to eat more fruit, so I got some oranges. and cucumber. I also just want to say, I realize this is a lot of plastic. I wasn't expecting to go grocery shopping when I did because it's pouring rain outside. So I didn't have the chance to grab my reusable bags like in between work. So don't be mad at me. Okay, that's my haul. Hello guys. I am an excited girl. It's 8:40. I haven't had dinner yet. It's okay. I checked off everything on my list. I am so happy. It feels really, really good. So honestly, yeah, write everything down so that you can check it off after. And it's just such a good feeling. So I'm now starving and now I'm allowed to eat because I was like, if I knew if I ate dinner, because I want to eat pasta, I would be like too much in a food coma. So let's go cook and then we can have a cozy night and wrap it all up and go to bed. Finished pasta. I guess it's not maybe Gordon Ramsay level, but it takes like 15 minutes and it's pretty healthy. So I made a ton more that I can take with me for lunch or keep as meal prep material for the week. And I put the arugula on the bottom so that it can like get hot, just to add like a bit of green and a bit of flavor. Normally I would put basil on this, but they didn't have any at the store, so that would taste really good on top. And yeah, so I just put the sun-dried tomato on top, the feta cheese, and a little bit of salt, and it's very good. And I also add olive oil to the pasta mix. So that's that. Bon appetit. And yeah, I'm gonna go eat. Meal prep is done. We have the spaghetti I made for dinner. We have a salad with arugula, cucumber, tomatoes, and I just do like a tahini and olive oil and salt dressing. This is going to be for breakfast because I'm going spinning in the morning. So yogurt with honey, cinnamon, and chocolate chips, and then some grapes. So that's all the food I'm bringing for lunch tomorrow. I always feel so good and productive when I meal prep my lunch, and obviously it's like more healthy and it's better for your wallet. So whenever you can, try and meal prep your lunch. Especially on Sundays, I like to do it because then I'm like, feel like I'm getting off to a good start for the week. So for the rest of the night, I am just gonna finish tidying up. I'm gonna drink my tea. I'm having my basil tea, which I haven't had in a while. I haven't had it since my healthy days. So that's that. Probably just take a shower and go to bed. I don't think I've ever looked better. If I put this on the internet, well, whatever. To be honest, okay. Me and Norig are signing out. Thanks for watching my productive weekend in my life. Starting tomorrow, we're gonna have a work week in my life, like a reset week where I realign my priorities and get healthy and all of that. So stay tuned for that video. Thank you again for watching this one. I appreciate it. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Remember to subscribe. Good night.